Hello बच्चों, so we will continue the same chapter going on. This chapter has been written on the board, so we will do the same chapter next dialogue. I think till where we have completed that I could tell means here he was just Gerard was making him convince that you are looking very modest, you are very interesting, I think you are not in favor to give me any trouble. So like this means the person Gerard was making him understand, making him convinced that he want to be safe. So, intruder, I could tell you plenty. You think you are smart, but I am the top of the class round here. I have got brains and I use them. That's how I have got where I was. Now, here intruder was not ready to convince. He said, okay, I have brains. I can use my mind. You are making me fool. Gerard, and where precisely have you got? I did not require a great brain to break into my little cottage. Now, Gerard is saying, okay, you have a great brain. So, that great brain is not been invited by me. I have not invited you in my cottage. So why you appeared here? Why you entered into my house, into my cottage? Intruder, when you know why I have broken into your little cottage, you will be surprised and it won't be a pleasant surprise. Now here intruder said, okay, this is for your surprise only. You want to know why I just came here? I will give you, it is just a surprise, I will give you the same answer which question you are asking, but this surprise will not be a pleasant surprise. You will weep for that and you will be in trouble when you know about this surprise. Surprise means, what is the meaning of surprise here? Surprise means the reason why I entered into your cottage. Gerard, with you figuring so largely in it, that is understandable. By the way, what particular line of crime do you embrace, or aren't you a specialist? Now here Gerard was again asking, are you a specialist in doing all the crimes? Are you expert in all these? Tell me please. Or you are beyond the understanding. Tell me, you are a specialist in doing all the crimes. Intruder, my specialties is jewel robbery. कहता है कि that I am very expert in stealing the jewelry. Your car will do me a treat, and your car will help me in stealing, in robbery of jewelry. It's certainly a dandy bus. Dandy bus means the very fast, dandy in the sense you can say magnificent. Dandy, magnificent. Dandy, magnificent. Magnificent, or otherwise you can say grand. Grand. So, dandy in Hindi you can say Shandar. So intruder was saying कि okay, your car will help me in stealing, in robbery of jewelry. So it's your responsibility to give me car, and that's why I was asking whether you are able to drive a car or not. You mean to live with me at Raffles Sedan, isn't it? You have not been invited. Okay, Gerard and say, okay, according to you, you will live with me only. But I have not invited you. I have not called you. Okay, intruder, you won't be here long, so didn't trouble to us. Okay, intruder कहता, okay, don't take intention. I will give you all the answers. And what do you mean? By the way, Gerard said, what do you mean? Intruder, this is your big surprise. I am going to kill you. Gerard, a little harsh, isn't it? Okay. Intruder said, okay. I will give you a surprise, and this surprise will kill you. I am just going to kill you. This is also a surprise, a big surprise for you. Okay, Gerard said, oh my God, you are talking about the harsh thing. Harsh means hard. Harsh means hard thing. You are talking about the hard thing. Means he is talking about the killing, murdering, means robbery also, na? So these are useless talk. Okay, beta, mark here. We'll continue in the next video.